Sagittarius is the, I hate this. Hi Sagittarius, is your channel messages for the, why me look so crooked? Damn. For the, why me look, I go half through the fucking reading already. I look broke. That's how broke people look, cause you look broke. Yo, I show titty. I show titty. I show titty. Right? I look crazy as fuck. I don't know why I made this. I don't like how I look. Anyways, should I take it off? I probably should. Anyway, Sagittarius, this is your, I'm not going to take it off because you don't look. I don't know, I look drape up. I look like somebody I drape, no man. I don't like how I look. Ghetto, white refrigerator. Oh, ghetto. Okay, let's go. Sagittarius, 5 of Cups is your channel messages. You could be dealing with a Scorpio, okay? Let us go ahead and go into your soulmate reading. Who is your soulmate? Sagittarius, who is your soulmate? We got the Emperor. I'm getting, it's a big businessman. He's an Emperor, okay? Somebody might have one child already, but I'm getting it's an Aries. An Aries is your soulmate. Where will you meet your soulmate? In prayer, in church. I'm getting you'll be praying and you meet this person. Maybe it's a pastor. I'm getting you'll be, your eyes going to be closed. You're going to be on your knees with your eyes closed. Not shaking that ass for Drake. And surely not shaking it for me. I'm getting you're going to be on your knees, hands clasped, eyes closed. I'm getting you so you're going to meet the Emperor. I don't know if the Emperor is your pastor. Are you asking the Emperor to pray for you? Okay? What both of you have in common? The Ace of Wands. I'm getting, is it the same? I see you praying for something around Wands. And now I see an Ace of Wands. Are you praying that the Emperor take an interest in you? I'm getting you praying that the Emperor... What the fuck is this? Are you gay? Is the Emperor gay? Is there a pastor here who will do extra things for the males of them congregation if them bend over and have anal sex with them? What do you have to overcome? The 6 of Wands, a lot of wands here. We have 7 of Wands, Ace of Wands, and then you go back down to 6 of Wands. So what? It's 7, here's another 1, and we went down to 6. 1 was taken away. I don't know, this is weird, something about you and the Emperor. Okay, so this could be like a church service. Maybe the Emperor is asking you to go there and pretend that you're in spirit, or the Emperor asks you to go to church. But me getting you at the 7 of Wands now, which is isolation alone. The 6 of Wands is the crowd. So even though 7 of Wands is closer to the 10 of Wands, which the 10 of Wands is stress, here's what I'm getting. If you go to church, you're gonna lose fans. I'm getting the Emperor want you attend church. I don't think the Emperor want you attend church. The Emperor want you to pray. The Emperor wants to know that you believe in something. And I feel like it's a miscommunication is going around till it's related to the Emperor want you to go to church. The Emperor don't want you to go to church per se. The Emperor want you to pray. So maybe you will take it up on yourself and say you're going to pray in your yard. Now I'm getting the Emperor want you to come to this place of worship and pray. If you go, you're going to lose fans. So is it that your fans are devil worshippers, your fans are antichrist worshippers, or I'm getting... Is either you're going to lose a bet, the Emperor said them bet you so them can bring it to church. They thought they were going to bring me to church like how them bring Vanessa Bling to church. Vanessa Bling did not go to church because she was brought there. Vanessa Bling went to church because she said a false allegation as to the man who them claim, allegedly, that Vybz Kartel and accomplices got rid of. She make a report that the man did rob her the day, one day. And the day when she met the report, the man was already missing. But she said she did it to throw off the police. Because apparently the man was already missing. She go make a report that the man robbed her. And they're like, when did the man rob you? The man was missing since so much weeks now. That's why she ran to the church. Because she snitched. I don't need to snitch. I just need to bend over for the police officers. You call me snitch? Sweetie, I ain't a snitch. I just need to bend over for the police officers like this, bitch. That's why. Let me tell you what's the difference between me and you, sweetheart. This is the difference between me and you. Vanessa Bling was our snitch, basically, and she afraid because she never did believe in a cartel. So when she did make the false police report and say, listen, rob her, and she finally she should get catch, she gave her life to fucking God. Because only God alone, because she was like, listen, let me tell you something. If Adisha Palmer don't fix this, God should, right? Okay, fine. So that's the fucking point. She ran to the fucking church because she's afraid. Because she tell lie to the police officers. Meanwhile, the police officer want me to go in church. This is what the fuck problem is, right? We are not the fucking same. So I don't know who make the bet say they're going to bring you to church, they're going to turn into a godly woman. Sir, if you turn me into a godly woman, they're going to fuck you like a blood clot devil. So what is this point of godliness inside of me? What is the point of it? Are me getting someone inside? The only way me can fuck her is if she come to church. And if both of us are church members and we're close, then we can have sex with each other. So you're using God. Jesus Christ died a virgin, you know that? Allegedly, if he did not get his dick sucked or right by Mary Magdalene. Jesus Christ died a virgin. Good. Me getting if you go to church, you're gonna lose fans. Because it's either the bet of I can bring the whore to church will be accomplished, or me getting people like the fact that you don't give a fuck about anybody. You speak for the truth. You are not a puppet and you don't speak for what? You speak about real situations. Me hear one guy, what the guy name? I remember the YouTuber name. Me hear man Don Kaya or Kaya Puppet. I'm called, yeah, you know, you can't talk to me because you paying, you a so-called multi-millionaire and you paying bitches for $5 for pussy, but why would you not want to give somebody $5 after she gave you pussy? This is my concern. On the life to do this at each other, to say, you paid for pussy, but why would you, as a man though, as a working class man, why would you get pussy and don't feel like you need to give it something? Oh, because you a boss nigga. I'm a boss nigga. I fuck pussy for free. I'm a boss nigga. I fuck pussy for free. So does rapists. I'm just saying. You pay $3 for pussy. You paying OnlyFans girl for pussy. Wouldn't you want to pay a girl for pussy? I told somebody yesterday, maybe it's me, maybe I'm a past lives, but I would think if me is a man, I don't know if I just come as a girl. But this is what I said to her yesterday. I said, wouldn't you want to give a girl money so she can happy and go shopping after she don't fuck you good? Wouldn't you want that? Or is that what I would want? I don't understand which one. That's what I was saying. If you're one man, me just say, or that's not how a man think. That's why I'm divorced. But just if me a one man and me meet a girl, she nice, she clean, she smell good, she not giving her attitude the night, everything is great. Meet her, fuck her, alright, she give me head good, yeah, everything great. She end the night. But I said, babe, what's your Zell? She would have to say, you take myself pussy. She would have to cuss me up and tell me that she fucked me right. The night was great. Why wouldn't I want to show her I appreciated that? Maybe because I'm a fucking girl. Maybe that's why. Great. Anyways, yeah. So, me getting if you go to church, you're gonna lose fans. Because they're gonna be like, oh, you gave then. The church didn't help you. The church never helped you and then you go into the church. You went into the church for help. That's the difference. The church never come to you and help you and then bring you into the church. You ran to church for help. Justin Bieber, when the whole pedophile big thing that happened with him, he ran to church for help. And nothing can tell me, say the church no blood clot, obviously Celine Dion. Anyways, let us go ahead and see what was your relationship in a past life. We have the King of Swords. Well, there is a man. Are me getting in a past life, you used to give the man orders. It wasn't religious, it was more technical in past life. It was more politics in past life, it wasn't religious. Have you ever thought about that? Have you ever thought about the fact that you may have been here before? What were you a Republican in the last past life? Or were you a Democrat? Or you were fucking liberal? Anyways, me getting you are very intelligent though, or on a sheer intelligence. Me getting that's why the person you want you to come, or that's why this person is so attracted to you. You're extremely intelligent, and they think it could be used better in the church. It's just that why must he force you to accept a God the same way people don't want to be forced to marry outside them kind? How can you deepen the relationship? The Queen of Cups. I'm getting you have to put your foot down and make somebody know that, listen, if you want to sit down here and pray upon a mat together, we can. But you're not going to bring me to church to parade me off like this fucking clown or what the fuck you want. what kind of hype. I don't know if you're going to get a more pay because you brought a whore to church. I don't know what the fuck this is, but yeah, that's not how you're going to get it. You want me to go to church? Let me tell you something. That would never happen. Never. You should know that. Now, I should say though, even though I'm not going to church, I did take the initiative to do a bowl burning spell, and since I am on the church grounds, I do not lie. I don't tell lie. And you might find that very hard to believe, I know. Knowing that your father lied to your mother so she could have opened her legs to have you. I know it's very hard to believe, but that's the oath for me to take, especially in order for me to could be able to read these. I'm not lie. I'm not lie on church ground either. So I said to myself, I will not go there and play hypocrite, but I will not blasphemy. I will not bear false witness against thy neighbor while I'm on the grounds of the church. I can respect the laws of the church. That don't mean I respect it. Okay, great. We have I Am the Game. We have Initiation Ritual. We have Prophets. Again. So this is, oh, you bring the whore to church so everybody can clap and say, wow, Reverend, you did an amazing job. So again, I may not step foot inside the church, but I have already taken an oath. And I had to take that oath in order to do this the way I can do it. So oftenly, without cracking and looking fucked up. You know, some people return and look fucked up and crack up. That's why them stop showing them face for a while. Great. Prophets. I do not lie on church grounds. So if you're wondering who I tell the lie, I guarantee at the church I tell the lie. Because I don't lie on church grounds. You say I'm not a Christian, you say I am a devil worshipper. However, the deal that I made with the cards, for me to be able to read it the same way I can every fucking day, is that I would not lie on a church ground. You don't lie on church grounds, the Hierophant. You cannot lie on the grounds of the church. That don't mean I'll go. It just means you cannot, you have to obey the law when it comes on to the church. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Oh, Prophet, I had Prophets come out here, and one more. Pictures and videos. Until next time, bye.